Welcome to Balu Tutorials. Let us learn phonetic transcriptions. Total sounds in English 44. Out of 44, vowel sounds are 20, consonants are 24. In vowels, pure vowels or monophthongs are 12. So these are all called phonetics, and these are called ordinary spellings. So you can see here a. When we open our mouth and say a, that is called a, and cup, phonetics. Ordinary spelling cup, cup. This u is producing as a sound. And the next a, in the a we have three a's, short a's. And this a is, you will open the mouth and you will close. So while you pronounce the sound a go, a go. So you pronounce this a till the end of your mouth closing. See, a go. And this is from the neck, the center of the back of the tongue. So got, got, ordinary spelling got. And for long a we have three kinds of sounds. Those are R is silent. Saw, saw, ordinary spelling saw. Or, for, E, this is E symbol in the sit, ordinary spelling SIT, sit. E, when you write I and two dots beside like colon, this is long sound for every sound. When you write beside colon, that is long sound. E, C, ordinary spelling SEC. U, put, ordinary spelling put, PUT, put. U and colon. U, two, TOO, is the ordinary spelling. A, 10, ordinary spelling. Ya, but there is no sound in Telugu, but just for remembering I wrote ya. Ya. HAT, hat. So the phonetic is hat. Ordinary spelling hat. Now let us learn diphthongs. Diphthongs are 8 sounds. So diphthongs is nothing but double sounds in the slant lines, in between slant lines. A and E. A, pay, ordinary spelling. I, A and E means A and E becomes I. So 5, 9, like that. Lime, ordinary spelling 5. O, A and U, O, home. This is phonetic and ordinary spelling HOME, home. Ow, A means a letter and U. Ow. And after ow, now. NOW, now is the ordinary spelling. E and A, Ea. N and E and A, near. And R is silent, so I put in the bracket. So near, ordinary spelling is near. Sixth one. U and A. So when I write P, this is Y. So this is ya, not Y, ya. P and ya, pia. For that I added hua, and R silent, puar. Pur is the ordinary spelling. Even por, por also ordinary spelling. A, hea, hair, chair, hair. And I. This is like O. Second O we have no Telugu letter like that. O, I, oi. So ja, O, I, oi, joy, in, join, JOIN, join. This is what phonetics for vowels. Now let us learn consonants are 24 sounds, phonetics. These are phonetics and these are ordinary spellings. So in consonants sounds are 24. Ka, ka, cat, ordinary spelling cat, cat. This is ga, ga. If this G letter is producing as ja, in English G letter is producing ja, then you should use ja. Here ga, that's why G. Got, ordinary spelling got, got. And this is cha, T and long S, cha. Chin, ordinary spelling chin, chin. This is da and ja, ja. So you can also say that this is normal ja, ja. Z, z, for that you added u, June, June, June. Now this is a second ja, this symbol, za. Zoo, ordinary spelling zo, zoo. Now sa and ja, za. We have a combination in the spelling like si, something like that. So za. Vision, 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 ordinary spelling. Ta, this is the ta. And t, tat. Da, da. Did, ordinary spelling did, did. Ta, this is ta. Thin, ordinary spelling thin, thin. Da, this is da. Then, then, then. This is na, n and o, no, n o, no. This is pa, pa and a and n, pen, pen. And this is fa, fa, fall. This is aw, fall, 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 ordinary spelling. Ba, bad, 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 ordinary spelling. Ma, man, man, man is ordinary spelling. Ya, yes, ya and a and s, yes, y, yes, yes. And ra, red, red, red. La, leg, leg, leg. Va, for va we have two sounds. This va, our teeth, lower teeth touches upper lip. Va, upper teeth touches lower teeth, upper teeth touches lower lip. This is called va, v. When w is round o, it's like a round lips, so both are va sounds only. Van, 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 ordinary spelling. Wet, 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 ordinary spelling wet, 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 phonetic. Sa, this is sa. So, sa and o, so, so, so is ordinary spelling. And this is sa. Even in Sankara sa also, this symbol only we use. She, ordinary spelling she, she. Ha, ha, h, ha. How, h after how symbol is the how, how, how is the ordinary spelling. Ink or ing, for ing we have a separate symbol in English, that is ing. Sing, so si, se and ing, sing, sing, sing is the ordinary spelling. So in exam point of view also, for intermediate class students, you will get 10 words like in phonetics. You need to transfer them into ordinary spelling. That's why it is called transcription. Phonetic transcription means phonetics to ordinary spellings. So if you write out of 10 only 5, you will get 5 marks. So thank you children. If you like this video, please subscribe and like my video. Thank you very much.